We all been waiting for this moment for such a long time. We are on the road. Man, it's too powerful. It's gonna start drifting. This is such a fun vehicle. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys remember, in the previous episode I was trying to do everything possible to try test drive this vehicle again, and I wasn't able to do that. I kinda knew it's not gonna happen. We pumped the brakes, the vehicle was working. I was hoping at least for better brakes, but you know, it did not happen. And today I have a scanner, so hopefully this will help a lot, and hopefully the brakes will start working. So after bleeding, I'll check them. If the brake's working, then I'll get a seat, install the wheels off of the burnt X6, lower it, and go for the first test drive. So guys, it's a little bit loud over here. The vehicle works and the scanner is connected. Now I'm gonna start bleeding the brakes and hopefully everything will go smoothly. Let's begin it. Guys, it looks like I'm done with the brake bleeding. Hopefully I'm done. Now I'm gonna start the vehicle and see if all four wheels stops right away when I press the brake. Let's do this real quick. It's eco mode. Let's put into sport mode, sport plus, so it sounds better. Let's put it in D. Drive. So wheels turning. Let's see. Looks like brakes work. Good. Oh, they're good. They're real good. That's it. Let me shut it off the vehicle. The time is 4 o'clock and I started at 12. 4 hours to bleed 4 brakes. This is insane. This is nuts. Took me so much time. I was trying to figure it out how to bleed them, even though I was following all the instruction, and this wheel was giving me problems. I don't know, the problem after problem after problem. So what was happening, I have no clue. So now I can install the seat back and I can throw the vehicle on the wheels. But another thing could go wrong is, there it is. So that wheel over here is probably too small for the front brakes of the M. I think this is the 19s and the M have 21s, if I'm not wrong. Let's see, it says 20s, so they might work. I don't know, let's see, will they work or not? So they could clear caliper. If they will clear the caliper, I'll be golden. So I'm gonna put you on a tripod and let's see if that wheel gonna fit there. Looks like it clears the brakes. Now I'm gonna put all 4 wheels back, lower the vehicle, and let's try get this vehicle off of here. Oh man, the sucks is it's getting dark. You guys not gonna be able to see anything. Anyway, we'll see what I'm gonna be doing. Guys, After all this time I spent on the vehicle, it's finally ready for the first test drive. I know it's not super ready for the first test drive. I don't have a doors installed, passenger seat, but that should not affect on the first test drive. I haven't even tried it yet. I installed the driver's seat and I haven't even tried how the brakes are good or not, because I don't know, put in D if brakes are bad, they're going to the wall. So what I'm gonna do right now is I need to move this frame with the bed out of the way, probably push it there, and then I will have just enough space to squeeze through here. Or maybe I should just push this bed with the frame over here all the way to the end, and then I will have some space to get this vehicle out of the garage. So we all been waiting for this moment for such a long time, me and you guys, and this is it. This is the moment. Now I'm gonna move the frame rack and the bed and let's go try test drive it. I know it's gonna be dark, but hey guys, first test drive, we're gonna do it in the dark, and then tomorrow I'll bring the vehicle outside and I will do some more test driving. And also I'm gonna be wearing some helmet because it's freaking cold outside. So let's fun begin. Okay, let's do this, boys. You guys really thought that I'm gonna live without you? No, I'll take you with me. Let's go test drive it. How long this vehicle was inside there and now it's back outside. Check this out, man. This looks beautiful. By the way, I made a mistake and ordered the wrong headlamp. You see this market light? And also inside there's no reflector. And over here, no marker light, and you can see there's a reflector. Something I'm gonna have to figure it out how to either fix it or sell this one and buy a new one. But anyway, let's go test drive it. I'm really anxious. Guys, you can barely see anything over here. We are on the road. Dash trying to fly out. Let me do something so Dash doesn't move. So I don't know how good you can see, but Dash used to be there. Now it's here on the side. And speedometer is upside down over there. Not upside down, it's just like that. So let's go. Way too much fun, guys. Such a fun vehicle. Let's do this, guys. Guys, this was so much fun. And this vehicle is so powerful. I would never thought it would be this powerful. I don't know, it's either doesn't kick in front wheels and it's always a real wheel, or just because traction control doesn't work, you press the gas a little bit way too much. Actually, I wasn't pressing to the floor at all, just a slight taps, and as soon as you overpress it, the rear end gets loose actually. And this turbo sounds amazing. It's like, it reminds me of the Supra. Man, I wish it was a daylight so I can go on the asphalt road and floor it, try it out. What is it like, man? But I'm not gonna be able to do that today. So I test drove it. I know brakes works. I know I'm gonna be able to test drive it and test it tomorrow. So I'll catch you guys back tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm finally came back home early enough where we have daylight. My wife gonna record me those test drives that I'm gonna do. But before that, I wanna install the driver's side door and the passenger side, driver front door and rear door, so it doesn't look too funny. And we'll go test drive it and floor it and do a couple things. So let's do that right quick. Okay, got the doors installed. Let's do cold start. Let me open up. Okay. That's it, it's time to go. Whoa, even Windows works. Let's go. That's how it is, guys. I guess floated too hard. Not even floated, I mean slightly tapped. So I hit it. So hopefully not bunch of the plastics are broken. Looks like this one is fine. This one over here may be broken, but oh well. That's not gonna freaking stop me to do test drive. So I'll show you a couple passes and we'll go home. Because this car is not registered. Man, it's too powerful, it's gonna start drifting. So guys, I would say test drive went really well except one thing. Drifting and crashing it into the hill. So the vehicle is outside currently. I cannot get it started. I don't know why. I got here, shut the vehicle off, and then I went inside to drink a hot tea to get warm up. Came out to try to start the vehicle and it doesn't want to start. So it's too dark right now to go outside and test it, so I put a tarp over it and I'll do that tomorrow. I don't know what the hell is wrong with it. I guess I'm just gonna have to find it, and the next episode I will show you all the damage I did to it. First, I guess second test drive and already end up hitting it. Anyway guys, that's gonna be it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do, but I'll catch you next one.